longer out in the cabin this time. It's the last time of the year, you feel me? This was one of the dopest times, but like bittersweet times, cold and all this other stuff going down and stuff. But in this, other than that, like it was an amazing time, like just from literally everything. I mean, other than the cold. Last words, huh?
Yo, rubber side down.
Rubber side down. What you got? What you got for the camera? What's going on?
You ready to go rip, dude?
Oh, about to go rip. And then like other than like Dale's bike having some problems, it was all G. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's right.
What's up, brother?
Cigarette. Final thoughts for today.
Let's get it in.
Oh yeah. Got burning up the CF Moto. Sportsman 850 back there. I think it's fast. All these guys definitely can ride. Like after seeing all this, like definitely always a good time coming out. Other than that, like we rode into town this time, like just on some cruise kind of stuff. Just have a little fun there and stuff. At first, like when I first started coming here, like, I didn't really know how to feel about everything. Cause like it's really rocky. We came up from like dirt, like real dirt, and stuff like that. Look at this going through a bunch of chugging. There's like a lot of manholes and stuff like that here. Not so fun. So fucking dirt bikes, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, it's sick. These there were. Yay! That was amazing. That was sketchy. Please, man. Son of a chugging along. Darren. Whip it. Sitting down here, like some locals and stuff. Just cruising next to a little river and stuff. Like, this is so chill. I mean, other than like if there's like someone coming the other way, it's pretty annoying. But like other than that, like that's like it's so chill. And like they let you drive on the street. Like we've done it before. You took the wrong way. This time we went the right way, and everything was still all good. Just had to like deal with some local traffic, and then there's the CF Moto just popping up. We're actually running out to get some mineral oil for Daryl because like his clutch reservoir was just like empty. And all the other people we're at the Aoaa house.
Laying down doors on road, you know?
Messed up my chicken tenders. Alright, go see about that. On there. It's pretty tight in here. Like, you just have to be a little focused, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to catch yourself slipping like these turns, like, oh, no, we back. Yo, we had a lot of problems with GoPros. Also, freezing because it was cold. It was like 40 degrees. And like, imagine you're on a bike, you're going, next thing you know, you're going like 30, 40 miles an hour. GoPro's like, zoom, I'm too cold. I'm like, man, this thing. I'm like, yo, you got a job to do. Like, Daryl caught some other good footage. We found like this other, we found this spot before, but. Oh yeah, I'm playing with the RC cars now. I think I have drones. You know what I'm saying? I don't really do RC cars too much, but that is crazy. going so fast. That's so much power. 8S. That means that's 8 cells. Oh, some blicking, some blasting. Oh, me blasting. Oh. So sick. Such a fun time. In the jumps. Oh, wait for this. Oh, zoop! The jumps! The jumpertons! Zoop! Crazy. And then, like, everyone's just out here just flashing, trying to hit this thing, and then, like, everyone's just like, oh! Bruh! What the? That was the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? And then here's the morning. Sweet old morning. Just ripping around, seeing what's going on. Everyone's just like out because it's kind of nice. Sun's out, sun's shining. Got the RC cars out again. What we got going on this time? Oh, we got a little owner action. But like here it is. Oh, you think it's just a camera? You think this is just a camera? Oh no, it's not just a camera. It's a little drone. Just it goes inside. Oh, is it a camera or is it just a drone? I still can't tell. Oh, just kidding. No, we all know it's a drone. 'Cause guess what? Nobody can keep up with like a little RC car like that. Oh, mad crazy though. Mad respect for any RC car enthusiast. Like that is really crazy. Like it's so hard to keep up with that thing, like, cause it's obviously like 4 inches off the ground. Like how you like what? I gotta keep up this thing with a drone? What? I was doing it somehow though, but oh man, such an awesome time. Just watching that little thing just rip around. Like, look at it. Just look at it, just kicking up rocks. Just there I am, trying not to get splattered by rocks. But like, look at man, this is crazy. Can't imagine my daughter a little older, reminiscing, finding picking me around, y'all. Oh, no. Was out still homies with my older friends. Little orbit action. Was older man. Less ego, we come together for something lethal. To take you peeping, you know it's heating, but just a preview. So rugged, if it ain't low budget, we don't love it. Another classic jump, but we different people. You ain't answering your phone, hope the song reach you. Man, holla kid, I'm trying to pitch another sequel. No skips. Every day is just a song. Why don't you grab a glizzy? Bro, the glizzy! He has the glizzy! Look at his hand! He went out with the glizzy! It's the end of the season. Everyone's gonna get their bikes ready for the next season. Bittersweet at the very end. Even though it's cold, you still want to come back for more. But just like that, it's over. I hope you guys enjoy watching what we do, how we ride, our style, everything. Please tell your peoples, tell everybody, just get the word out, I guess. But it really is, thank you for watching. There's a lot of stuff on YouTube you can watch, but you stayed here and watched it with me. Thank you, for real. Yo, it's the glizzy. Look at his hand. He went out with the glizzy.